Tension erupted in Kangpukpi district over custodial death of one suspected cadre of proscribed Kuki Revolutionary Army inside Kangpukpi police station. State Health Department takes strict precautionary measures at four strategic locations and Imphal International Airport to prevent outbreak of novel coronavirus in Manipur. Members of Federation of Government College Teachers Association Manipur protest in demand for implementation of 7th UGC Pay and Regulation 2018. And one-day motivation camp precedes upcoming Loktak Water Bird Census 2020 starting January 30th at Kaibulamjao National Park. Kurumjari, good evening. You are watching Tuesday Primetime English News on Impact TV. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari with you. Our top stories this evening. Tension erupted in Kangpukpi district today over a custodial death of one suspected cadre of proscribed Kuki Revolutionary Army inside the Kangpukpi police station. People vandalized the police station and even blocked National Highway Imphal Dimapur Road passing through Kangpukpi district headquarters temporarily. Impact News sources said the deceased person, who is suspected to be KRA Kadar, is identified as Thangoi Lovum. 38 Assam Rifles Kangpukpi post arrested Thangoi Lovum and handed him over to Kangpukpi police station on January 25th. The irate locals pelted stones at window panes, destroyed furniture and computer sets of the police station. Many police personnel, including officers, tried their best to contain the situation. One source said that representatives of district administration, police, Assam Rifles, Kuki NP Kangpukpi and leaders of CSOs held talks and came to an agreement to carry out judicial inquiry into the case, to give befitted compensation to the surviving family members, to give grade 4 job to wife of the deceased, while another source said that dialogues are still underway. Blockade on the National Highway was suspended at around 5:30 p.m. upon intervention by Minister Nemcha Kipgen. State Health Department has taken strict precautionary measures at four strategic locations and at Imphal International Airport to prevent the outbreak of novel coronavirus in Manipur. Medical officers are carrying out necessary precautionary measures at More, Behayang, Jiribam and Mao since yesterday. Speaking to media at Medical Directorate, Additional Director of Public Health Medical Directorate, Dr. L. Arki appealed to people to stay alert. There is high chance of the virus spreading in Manipur as it is located in the international border. He said novel coronavirus spreads from animals and birds to human beings, and the virus first broke out in Wuhan City, China. Dr. L. Arki said the main symptoms of a novel coronavirus are breathing difficulty, cough and fever. He informed that the World Health Organization has already announced high alert on the virus globally. Dr. L. Arki said, following center's advisory, medical officers started survey at Imphal International Airport since January 18. He appealed to immediately come for treatment at RIMS and Jennings if found suffering from the symptoms.
Laina sigi incubation period 14 days never. 14 days lantu gadi masi chance khara wa level. Adubo koi shepherd side kita mata World Health Organization na numit kunga nipani se masi check taw have never. Aduna numit kunipan sta lakta gadi masi naro yana koi long nap na lok lehogi laina wai taw ni na hakthi khanba lok khuba sugum basida sandu app. Nare khang tar gadi migi manakti yam sangbi daba khara tonga na kitang leibi ba lok khuba ke do basi ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯦꯡꯀꯔꯆꯤꯞ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯇꯤꯁꯨ ꯄꯦꯄꯔ ꯄꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯣꯛ ꯈꯣꯠꯂꯒ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯗꯤꯁꯄꯣꯁ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯨꯠ ꯁꯥꯁꯦ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯥꯕ ꯂꯨꯝꯕꯨ ꯂꯨꯝꯕꯨ ꯁꯥꯕ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯁꯥꯄꯣꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯍꯥꯝꯗꯣꯛꯄꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯩ ꯄꯥꯔꯁꯣꯅꯦꯜ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯤꯟ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯃꯨꯟꯗꯕ ꯁꯥ ꯉꯥ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯆꯥꯕꯤꯗꯕ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯐꯨꯠꯂꯒ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯃꯨꯜꯂꯒꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯁꯨ ꯊꯣꯏꯗꯣꯛꯄ ꯇꯧꯗꯦ ꯉꯁꯥꯏ ꯁꯥꯗꯤ ꯂꯧꯅꯔꯦꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯤꯡꯅꯔꯤꯕꯅ ꯁꯥ ꯉꯥꯗꯁꯨ ꯅꯥꯕ ꯌꯥꯏꯑꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯂꯧꯔꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯏꯑꯕ ꯑꯗ ꯃꯍꯤꯛꯁꯤꯅ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯍꯦꯛꯇ ꯍꯥꯠꯄ ꯉꯝꯗꯕ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯗꯦꯟꯖꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕꯗꯤ ꯅꯠꯇꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅꯅꯦ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯄꯥꯈꯠꯄꯤꯒꯅꯨ ꯃꯁꯤ.
Members of Federation of Government College Teachers Association Manipur FEGOKTA carried out a protest demonstration at the DM College of Science today, demanding implementation of the 7th UGC Pay and Regulations 2018. It may be mentioned that 7th UGC Pay and Regulations 2018 has been already implemented in other states like Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland and Tripura. The College Teachers Association has been demanding the same since December 4th of 2018. The association earlier submitted an ultimatum to the government on January 20th, demanding to implement the 7th UGC Pay and Regulations 2018 within January 27th. Speaking to media, protesting teachers expressed disappointment that their demand has not been given final approval despite crossing 58 days since it was approved in principle by the cabinet. The college teachers warned of intense agitations, including hunger strike, if their demands are not fulfilled. Street vendors of Koyanban market erupted into intense agitation and demanding vending space and time slots today. The agitation occurred a little around 11 a.m. Agitating vendors tried to storm the office of IMC Commissioner, but massive police personnel prevented them. Imphal West District Magistrate also rushed to pacify the agitating vendors, but they failed to come to an agreement. Subsequently, the street vendors continue to agitate. Manipur police resorted to firing smoke bombs to contain the situation. Speaking to media, a protester strongly condemned the government for imposing unexpected restrictions on the street vendors, largely affecting their livelihood.
Like 2014 Act Lady court ki high court na pigi raisiga matung inaga high raisigi matung ina makoina koi kai kumna upidre kosibu kai ba upidre bina aduna mara morga koi gi legal suta oina koi tawjaga noi any person noi tawro ai ga challenge tawna ges maina haira ke digi hena koi sauna bani magi wahiduna asoi boy bani fazana haibi be ai haukiba na handegi hori be sida na han tang kunga taruk ta ge koi yolan ka na khallaga lae adudagi sum bhamanda na han tang kunga mari singi akoi hayengi bigwa bide ne han lepsare adugi mamang sida Tankun Humdoiga, Konitoga, Akan Anisda, Koyakanba, the mobilization Tawi, Soi, but Tankun Ganitoisda, Sipan Poliski, Oiba, distant SP, Masamana, a Koibutan, Matam, and the piecing Jibukari, Haina Kanbiba no Makoina, Koina piecing Jibumana Karikidamota, Taina Kanbidi no Haiba, Nupana Puromo, Adobu, Nupita Nupana Pubus, and Pamas and Puna Boy de Pay, Papangan Solabakanazo, Tola, Tarbakaya, Zibahana, Yang Vidana Makoina, Taina Kalisa Karikinova.
Parents and players of Sai STC Kumalampa carried out a rally demanding not to remove wusu, swimming, weightlifting and fencing games from the center. Protesters gathered in front of the Nupilal Memorial Complex and were diverted towards the Keshampath Junction. Then they rallied towards Wankai, chanting various slogans. Result has been declared for the final examination of the 14th batch of Diploma in Elementary Education DLED and first batch of DLED Hindi for pre-service 2017-19 conducted by the Examination Board of Elementary Teachers Education, State Council of Educational Research and Training of Manipur Government. Education Minister Dr. Thokchom Radhesham, along with officials of Education Department, declared the result at his Secretariat office in Babupara. Out of the 544 candidates enrolled for the 14th batch, 524 have appeared and 512 candidates have passed the examination, and out of the 37 candidates enrolled for DLED Hindi, 36 have appeared and 35 candidates have passed the examination.
RTE gi matungin oza oibese we training yaudre diploma in elementary education primary teachers ki si training si yaudre like nurse we di training yaudaba yadaba do maina si compulsory oireba adu akoina 2017 de 19 bhogi 2 years ki course government gi dai center mapan private ki amaga sira akoi adi trainee 544 tawone adu manuna 512 pass tawa akoi oza wat pagi training to oza laita tan oza low ngam dan leramdo even private school su training to yaudredi fajana madugi hojikti oza sia maru oibna adugi hanak successfully akoi pass to pasira madugi result declare tawbagi RT makhada mari norms ki makhada Manipur so yam khumang chawsinna training loire.
Wildlife Wing of Forest Department, along with National Bird Conservation Network, jointly organized one-day Loktak Water Bird Census 2020 motivation camp at IB1 Training Hall of Kaibul Lamjau National Park today. The camp was held ahead of the census of migratory birds at the Loktak Lake starting January 30th. 50 volunteers of various clubs who will be taking part in the census process attended the camp. Speaking on the occasion, a deputy conservator of forest wildlife, Sanajauba Kuraijam, said inclusion or exclusion of the Loktak Lake in the Montreux record depends on the number of migratory birds coming at the lake, hence a proper census of the birds is crucial. He appealed to people to extend for their cooperation for the same.
Kwe handak sahi gi oina water bird census 2020 lakliba January gi tang kuntra sigi Loktak amasung Kaibul Lamjau da tariba praja singna hairiba usik thigadoriba numit asida miyamna sehuk pibiu amasung tek ta kaidana akoi gi lakliba usik singjisu maramda hanbibada masi mating pangbiu haina ai paujinjegi.
Body of a maiden was found in a pond at Kangjibung, Irong Sesaba Salam Road under Mayang Imphal Police Station today. Impact News sources said farmers came across the body on their way to paddy fields at around 8 a.m. Police team led by additional SP of Imphal West Police RU Crime Against Women, Ratna, and Mayang Imphal Police Station OC Joy Mangol rushed to the spot for investigation. The deceased is identified as 19 years old Washima, daughter of Mohammed Janamuddin, from Yaripok to Hilal under Andro Police Station of Imphal East District. Late Wasima was missing since last night around 10 p.m. after dinner. Her family earlier thought she had eloped, but later came to know about her demise when photo of a dead girl went viral on social media today. Mayang Imphal Police has taken the body for post-mortem after necessary investigations by Manipur Forensic Science Team. Police has registered a case and investigations are underway. Thadok Students Association TSA in a press release has strongly condemned the alleged harassment of Yaripok SDPO IPS by 12 Assam Rifles at Kudeng Thabi checkpost on January 19th. Chairperson of Manipur State Commission for Women MSCW, Professor Mainam Binota, has disclosed that second hearing of the unfortunate incident that occurred at Assam Rifles Kudeng Thabi checkpost will be held on February 14. She warned of issuing warrant to IGAR South if the accused Assam Rifles personnel failed to appear on the hearing day. It may be mentioned that acting on a complaint filed by Yaripok SDPO to the Commission, first hearing was held at the Commission office yesterday. However, accused Assam Rifles personnel P.K. Pandey did not come for the hearing and he sent a counsel instead. Speaking on the sidelines of the calendar releasing event of the Commission held at MSCW office in Imphal West DC complex today, Chairperson Binota also highlighted various plights facing the Commission members. He urged the state government to provide adequate infrastructure for the Commission. The Directorate of Social Welfare, NG Uttam, also attended the event.
नौना हापीरगलिबा अखोइगी मेंबर्स सिंगी magi nature of the works na matung ina khoi gi sing da yam toina chatpa adagi interior part any thokdog ama nungai taba thokdog ama nupi gi thokpa matam da hek ta baga chen ga dawba adugumba body ama oibani na makhoi gi damak tangai phadana vehicle gari sing yamna tangai phadaba leiba adubu hana pibira miba gari sing se subna dagi sahi 30 30 helaba matam kuina sangna season rakpadagi season aba yadraba difang oiba mayam simasu akhoi gi government ki side amadi akhoi parent body oina lebiriba akhoi social welfare department da su akhoi awada pase minimum kaino da dilen biganu.
A team of Lilong police station led by Inspector O. Ajit and assisted by SI KH Santosh recovered one dark grey coloured Maruti car Brezza bearing registration number JH01CC 6520 at around 3 this afternoon. The four-wheeler was suspected to be utilized in transportation of illegal drugs by 35 years old Mohammad Abbas Ahmed alias Mojing Mayum Mohammad Abbas Mastana, son of Mohammad Khairuddin of Thobal Mojing Awang Laikai, who was arrested on January 27th. A combined team of Jomi Youth Association, JET YA, District Administration, Civil Police, 2nd Assam Rifles and NAB NAB has carried out mass destruction of illegal poppy plantation at Langthul and Kankab villages situated in the South District of Churachandpur at the border of Myanmar. The team started the destruction since 10:30 a.m. today. More than 15 families are reported to have carried out illegal poppy cultivation in the area. Poppy plants worth around 1 crore rupees were destroyed at Langthal area, while poppy plants worth around 88 lakh rupees were destroyed in Kankab area. Session Judge Imphal West R.K. Memcha today convicted 62-year-old Sanabam Ranjit for committing a murder of his own son on November 25, 2015 and fixed January 30th for sentence hearing to announce the quantum of punishment. The court judgment was announced today after it was kept on reserved after the final hearing of the case on January 14. The 62-year-old convict Sanabam Ranjit is the son of late Jadu of Sagolban Nepra Menjor Pukrimapal. He was produced from Manipur Central Jail Sajiwa for the announcement of the court judgment ordered today. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on the 30th, that anniversary observance of Tampra Patra Awardi Ima Rajni Devi. We'll be back with the details after the break. You're watching Impact News. Welcome back. You are watching Tuesday Prime Time English News on Impact TV. People today fondly remember Tampra Patra Awardi Ima Rajni Devi, who took a major role in fighting the British during the Nupilal movement on her 30th death anniversary. Nupilal Memorial Association Manipur organized the observance at Nupilal Memorial Complex. Attendees paid floral tributes to the portrait of Ima Rajni at the observance. As in previous years, Nupilal Memorial Quiz competition was also conducted at the event.
Ima Rajani Matamaduki Nupilanda Sangnai Rabi Nupilan Hek Hobudagin Loy Paubagi Warrior to Imaduna Liri Haraga Lishingamaga Samapan Marpugi Adugumraba Ahan Manipur Sarkan Chinduna Pangtoliba Nupilan Ningsing Batoramda Nupilangi Taching Tasing Laba Warrior to Imaduna Masamangna Ladik Adma Pongi Haraga Miamda Manipur Kunaida Kudol Tambirami Adu the Natana Nupilangi audio the Pung Anigi Keset Ani Pongduna Tambirami Ima Rajani Matamaduki Nupilanda Sangnai Rabi Nupilan Hek Hobudagin Loy Paubagi War.
Vice Chairperson of Lamlai Municipal Council, Sagolsem Vishwachandra, today alleged that EO of Lamlai Municipal Council has denied authorization to release funds of various central and state schemes meant for Lamlai constituency. A press meet was held in this regard at the office of Lamlai Municipal Council today, attended by Chairperson of Lamlai Municipal Council, R.K. Memi, Councillor of Ward Number 9 Council and beneficiaries of Pradhan Mantri Award Yojana. Taking part in the press meet, Biswa Chandra said beneficiaries are suffering and the EO did not give any explanations. He urged the relevant authorities to look into the matter and either transfer the EO or take necessary legal actions against him by January end, failing which he warned of intense agitations.
Amlai Municipal Council se tha kharagi mamang dai khoi suspend lerambadu Honorable High Court na order ma thopi dana January gi tarik tarukta suspend hangachare council magi tabum thokpa function praja jingda phangan ba sakthung development da mai onjan na khoi kanna sangsin jabani adubo maruina council eona any fund khodi ma kai wai basi ma masana yadaba ma masagi sapchaba ma masana haibada karigumba mata thabok tobunga moi haidana legiba masina Lamlai Municipal Council je sokhatpagi maikaida mang thana satkadabudu pekta sum torokpa aduna mari lainaba department singna eo sigi mathakta miyeng sangbi
eo je ma masa sunu te chobuni khoi somai gi makuk ni na khoi myang mi sintuna man makuk singa ma thagal amu punama khoi phangjaga dabane ba miunde pesa por yum saba hore loisal lekha takham ne letin saro sare ado hujik se yum loisama pami letin loisama pami ado
Executive Engineer of PWD Imphal East Division, Sanasam Prakash, has clarified that no approval was given to complete the construction of Yumnam Patlo Bridge in Imphal East District. Speaking to media at PWD office near Kanglapad today, Sanasam Prakash said the department received a tip-off regarding construction of a slab on the bridge and hence he, along with the department officials, went to inspect the same on January 21st. He clarified that they visited the work site to inspect and not to grant permission for the work. Prakash turned the recent news about contractors and relevant officials carrying construction of the bridge beyond work schedule as misleading and unfortunate. EE Sanasam Prakash said the department had even instructed the contractors to remove the newly constructed slab on the bridge by January 25th.
Singshina Moy PDC sings the Hajere, slaps him to Hyalazin, Ware, Koisa shooting to see Yongner, under the Yang as he had. PDC sings to I pet Yaning Bugum Toroga, I could labor members in the decision Lobungam Dre, meeting up the Torugige, Adugo Pau Kangalage, Adugo Torosi and Hainer. I could Madu, Loraga, Dijan to Pangaga Torosi, Sinoza and Haineraga, Larpany. Nongalaga Tankuma Twisi, E. Robinson, a Pontor, slave to Hajan Beho, Hakamai Tokjuno, sport at Sutler, Yort Puliba, Pong Mark Toriba, Congress by Sinna Bracket, no check Toriba. Check Toring is the mobile number, ma'am, Yogi, Quizing Ogdabiati, Itonina, mobile Namsenba, Ayopoto, Matagalaga, Executive Jona, Slave Have the Yaure, at the media, the Sandupide. PDC Matam to the Ayaba, PD, slave Hapazi, when the Yarpasua, Yartipsua, quick Kangriba, Yaramagadi, Nam Yaudi and a credible nam to be doing him. Has he Yarafragana? I could Yawi at the Hajan Beneva. Machine never quick young was a quick opposition quiz.
Celebrating Pariksha Parva 2.0 state-level orientation cum sensitization program on the issue of stress in students due to exam was held at the multipurpose hall of SCRT Manipur in Lamphel today. Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights MCPCR in association with National Commission for Protection of Child Rights and State Council of Educational Research and Training SCRT Manipur organized the event. Speaking on the occasion, Commissioner of School Education D. Ranjit called upon parents not to give unnecessary pressures upon their children as it creates tensions and nervousness in them. Many experts share their views during the technical session of the program.
We have 16 districts, but we have 17 zones. So zonal education officer, like Sidaki Kangalaga, we have picked up about 100 students. And now we are giving them some sort of intensive coaching training. Our aim and target is government school. Mayam Satra, Papa Mayam, the John Mamaki Satra Kangapeowi, Tare Kangapeowi, Manga Kangapeowi, Moy Mayams in boarding the Lloyd Shineraga. Was asking because interact on Hanisika, what the examiner wants without knowing that if he or she started writing, definitely it may go wrong. ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯊꯣꯛꯏꯗꯅꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯄꯩꯈꯥꯗ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯅꯥꯕ ꯆꯠꯇꯅꯕ ꯈꯣꯠꯇꯅꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯈꯪꯒꯠꯂꯒ if we could at least within the first 20 sida satra manga tarukuma yaw taradi oh government schools are also good, they also are capable of doing that.
Manipur State Legal Services Authority, Sathi, Amana and ETA jointly organized a one-day state-level awareness program on inclusion of senior citizens, transgenders and persons infected with or directly affected by HIV/AIDS for entitlement of free legal service at ADR complex in Lampalpat. It may be mentioned that as per the Gazette notification released by the government of Manipur on December 17, 2019, senior citizens, transgenders and people living with HIV/AIDS should be given free legal services as per their income. Attendees shared their experiences on plights facing them and how their grievances can be addressed legally. Four-day internal conducted press tour to Tamenglong district organized by Directorate of Information and Public Relations Manipur was flagged off today by IPR Commissioner IPR M. Joy from a DIPR office complex Nithe Park to take today. The press team comprising of 15 members including officials of DIPR and media persons of the state will visit different locations of Tamenglong district including Bagaijang, Barak and Jeliet, among other places. The press tour, which aims to give exposure to the media persons of the state, will be back to Imphal on January 31st. IPR Director IPR Shri H. Balkrishna, IPR Joint Director W. Fajatombi, officers and staff of the Directorate took part in the flagging off event. Prior to the flag-off, Manipur Diary and Wall Calendar were also distributed to the press team. Health and Wellness Center, Phubala, organized a panting competition on the theme Safe Girl Child under Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao campaign at the community hall of Loktak Maru in Phubala today. More than 37 girl students from Phubala and Sinusify competed in the competition held two categories of 5 to 10 years age group and 10 to 19 years. Now the sports news. Month-long hockey coaching camp organized by SEO Club Akampat at its ground concluded today. More than 100 budding hockey players, including girls, participated in the camp. Jilla Parishad member of Imphal East, Saram Neken, SEO Club President K. Devan, Andalusia Sharma and many senior hockey players attended the valedictory event. And before we wrap up, let's take a look at headlines once again. Tension erupted in Kangpokpi district over custodial death of one suspected cadre of proscribed Kuki Revolutionary Army inside Kangpokpi police station. State Health Department takes strict precautionary measures at 4 strategic locations and Imphal International Airport to prevent outbreak of novel coronavirus in Manipur. Members of Federation of Government College Teachers Association Manipur protest and demand for implementation of 7th UGC Pay and Regulations 2018. And one-day motivation camp proceeds upcoming Loktak Waterbird Census 2020 starting January 30th at Kaibulamjao National Park.